Okay, so this is actually a really cool product, and we have a trip coming up soon, so I can't wait to try it out. It's the AirFly SE, and you're able to use your wireless headphones with any headphone jack. So you could use it on a plane is what it's basically meant for, but you can also use it at the gym, you know, plenty of other places. So you pair your headphones with the AirFly, and then you plug the AirFly into, like, this is an in-flight entertainment center, and then you can hear the screen through your own personal headphones. It has a 20-hour battery, and then it comes with a little charging adapter. It comes with a cute little carrying case. It's super small and compact. Yeah, really good idea. So, oh, there's a good picture of it. I can attach my AirPods to like the in-flight TV. Super cool. Definitely recommend. Check them out, the AirFly SE.